want to make your affirmations extra powerful, give them a boost of magic and potency, and make them work faster for you, then today's video is the right one for you. Hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar. I'm your manifestation bestie because I love making manifestation easy and practical for you guys. So let's dive in. Also subscribe if you're new here. So, how do you make an affirmation extremely powerful so that it always works for you extremely fast? Just add a couple of words in front of your affirmations and feel your affirmations and see what happens. What I want you to do is, let's take an example. Let's say you are trying to be financially free for a very, very long time and you've been affirming, I'm financially free, but nothing seems to be happening. The one thing is that you should always persist, because even if something is not happening in front of your eyes doesn't mean movement is not happening. Movement is always happening. So you keep persisting. But what you can also do is use your subconscious to make this affirmation extremely powerful. The two words that I want you to add in front of your affirmation is, thank you so much that, so it's thank you so much that I am now financially free. Just add thank you now that I'm financially free. Even that works. I love saying thank you so much that now I am financially free. You can also say thank you, I am now financially free. And you do this. That's going to just skyrocket the potency of your affirmations. Why? Because think about it. One subconscious programming that can actually help you with manifestation is this. When do you say thank you? When you receive something, right? So if you were to say, and this is the thing about gratitude, that while practicing gratitude, it's not just about practicing gratitude or giving gratitude for the things that you already have. You can also give gratitude for the things that you want to manifest. That's law. That's how the law works, right? That's how powerful gratitude is, that you could give thanks for something that you don't have yet and it would have no choice but to manifest in your life. So when you say thank you for the fact that I'm now financially free, and just feel it, feel the gratitude. Just ask yourself, what would it feel like if I did not have debt? If I was financially free? Literally say thank you for the fact that I'm now financially free. And let's say you don't feel any gratitude when you say that. Repeat that statement for 10 times and you will start feeling better. Just do this every single day. This is like my quick tip to skyrocket the power and the effectiveness of your affirmations. Do this. Again, what I always suggest is affirm for 10 minutes every single day. That's it. That's there's a minimum that you should do. If you have more time to affirm, that's all right. I set reminders that allow me to practice gratitude every hour. I've discussed that in one of my previous videos where we were talking about gratitude, that I literally have an hourly reminder where I give gratitude for 10 things that I'm grateful for. So you can do the same about your desire, and whenever that reminder comes up, you can literally repeat this affirmation 10 times. Thank you that I'm now financially free and abundant. Thank you so much that I'm now financially free and abundant. Repeat this 10 times. First thing that will happen is that you will start feeling amazing. Second thing, your manifestations will start showing up so damn quickly. This is literally how you can make your affirmations even more powerful than they already are. So, thank you so much for joining me here today. Like this video, share this with your friends and family, comment Master Manifester, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. If you want my 1:1 guidance, check the description box for all the details, and I will see you again soon. You can also check the pinned comment where I will also share the details of my 1:1 manifestation services. Bye.